Hello, have you tried to get the Customify site importer working and you're having a few problems with it? Perhaps the layout doesn't look right? Well, it's quite a common thing at the moment. I'm going to head over to the computer now. I'm going to show you an alternative solution. Okay, so you've installed Customify theme and now you've also ran the importer site templates and you've installed the consulting blog, the website, and unfortunately what it looks like is something like that. Okay, which obviously there is a way around this. You could go in, you could upload some templates, you could go into the page settings and change all this around, but that's not the point of these importer sites. Is that, you know, this is meant to work and it's meant to give you a base for you to build off. Now, if you're going to go in and spend all the time changing all this around, then it's kind of pointless, really. So what do I suggest? Well, unfortunately, as of now, which is the 24th of February 2001, this doesn't seem to be getting resolved. So my suggestion is actually to install a plugin called WP Reset, which is this one here. Then once you install that, I would actually just reset the whole website. So type reset the site, and then I would go in, so that will put it back to its default theme. I'd actually go in and delete the Customify theme completely. Have a look what plugins it delete. I think yeah, so I'd go and delete, that's a plugin for it, that and that, they're also plugins for it, so I'd go and delete those. Okay, and then once they're deleted, go into appearance and go themes, and then we want to add new, and then my recommendation is the Astra theme. So if you just type Astra, and then this is the one you want here, so install that. Now the beauty of this theme is, like the Customify one, it's got a load of default importer sites, and then activate. So we're going to show you how to set them up. Okay, now we want to go Astra options, and now activate importer plugin. Okay, just click that. Page builder is Elementor. Okay, so here you go. Now some of these are premium, but the majority of these are free. So we just select free, and then you've got all of these website templates which you can import. So just for the purpose of this, we'll use this one. So you just click on it. You can either import individual pages or the whole site. So we'll do the whole site. And then you just click import. You will need to put your email address in just to, so they can send you updates and stuff, which is fine. And now it will import the website. And there you go, import complete. And then we just view the site now. And there you go. So a really nice, you know, fully functional website now. It's got all the 5 pages on. And obviously, you know, this is your starting block. You know, if you want to go in, you can change all this around. You can obviously just go and edit this now. And this is exactly the same as what you would have had with the Customify one. So obviously you can go in there, you can change the text, you can do whatever you want to do. You can go in here, you can change the color of the button and things like this. You can change the text, you can change the font, everything like that. So as you would normally now, you can go in and you can have a little play around. And it's kind of a good base, so it's a good way to start. So there you go. Just a quick video, really. Unfortunately, the Customify starter templates do not seem to be working as they should. So my alternative suggestion to you is to go out, try the Astra theme and use their importer templates. There's actually more anyway, you've got more choice. Okay, thanks very much for watching. If you found any value from this, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It helps me out. Give it a little thumbs up as well. Any comments, drop it in below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you.